bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbọ́.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì, táwọn tọ́lọ́run, bàbá olóyin nǹkan, bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Yesi Ọ̀tà, bàbá olóyin bus stop, bàbá olóyin bus stop, Yesi Ọ̀tà. The program you are watching today is from Bàbá Olóyin Original Television. Bàbá Olóyin Original Television. And the phone number is on the screen. 080 54 74 94 55. 080 54 74 94 55. You can also reach me on another number. 0810 84 31 336. 0810 84 31 336. But it's advisable to send your messages on WhatsApp. Send your messages on WhatsApp so that it will be easy for me to reply you very well. Today, I want to give you another secret. How you can use butter and bread with something. When you heat it, you receive blessings. Yes. Get seated. I will tell you today again. I will tell you today. Don't forget I publish many books. I will tell you about my books later on. You know this is butter now. You can get any butter of your type. Any type of butter you like. Any butter of your choice. Get butter. Get another empty container. Empty plastic. Take 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter. Put it in that small plastic that get cover. Yes. Add 2 tablespoons of original honey. Mix them together. Butter and honey. Mix them together. Anytime you want to take your breakfast, you can do it 2 or 3 times in a week. You will just take like 2 tablespoons out of the preparation. Put it in another open flat plastic. Eat with bread, or you can eat with yam. You can eat with yam, or you can eat with bread. Yes. You will be surprised that you will receive money. If you eat with bread, it will work. If you eat with yam, you know the secret of yam. When a farmer plants something like this on the ground, during the harvesting time, the farmer can collect a very big basket. He can collect. And bread, a small quantity they put on fire, it will rise. That's the wonderful work of God. And you see honey, how the bees always prepare their honey, wonderful thing. So try the 3 together. Honey and butter. Eat with bread, or you can eat with yam. The 2 of them can work. If you don't like yam, you can eat with bread. If you don't like bread, you can eat with yam. Keep the remaining one. Anytime you need again, bring it out. You can put it inside freezer. It can never spoil because honey is there. If you don't get freezer or there's no light in your area, it can't spoil. Just make sure you put it in the safe place where ants cannot disturb. Yes. Before I go, I must not forget to tell you about this thing. This is hot water soap to remove family curses and family bondages in your life. Maybe they curse you in your family, or you curse yourself when you were young, and curses are now affecting you. Ogun lé bàbá, ogun lé ilé ìyá, ogun lé àná. Àwọn ogun tó ń lé ní táàkì gbọ́ gírígírí ẹsẹ̀. Buy hot water soap. We have coconut oil perfume. To see mercy and favour everywhere you go, people will like you and do your wish. You put money inside it. Shake. Rub your face with it before you go outside. Yes, when you just shake, the small one that reach your hand, just do like this. Your face. Go outside, you will thank God. This shea butter cream. Nítorí bá fojú kórùn, iyọ̀ ló ń yọ, aya yọ́nú sí mi, aya yọ́nú sí. Anywhere you go, people will like you, admire you, and do your wish. See, shea butter cream. The 3 of them are available now. They are available now. Rain is falling in Nigeria now. Don't be calling me in November and December, dry season time, when we can't see materials. You need this thing now. You are a bricklayer, you need it. You are a caterer, you need this thing. You are a musician, this is the time you need these things. Don't start using soap in November. The musicians they will book, the musicians they need in December, they are booking them in advance now. Tó o bá ń wẹṣẹ́ ní December, òun wẹṣẹ́ April lẹ́nu yẹn, má jẹ́ ń tàn. Òun wẹṣẹ́ April lẹ́nu. Don't forget I publish many books. This is Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Women Problems book. This is Honey as a Medicine. Honey as a Medicine. I have other books. This is African Power Part 1. This is African Power Part 2. And this is my latest book, African Power Part 3. In this African Power Part 2, if they put poison in your food or drinks, how to detect it? The secret is here. African Power Part 2. Or you don't want them to poison you at all. If they pepper you with pepper and arrow, how to remove it from your body? Or you don't want them to pepper you, the secret is here. If you are the type, you always complain, spiritual products don't work for you. You use white soap, you complain. Green soap is buy African Power Part 2. This African Power Part 2, you need crowd puller. I won't say a word. Either in your school, in your faith center, or in your church. How to use melon and honey with your small thing. The secret is in African Power Part 2. Many other things are there. This African Power Part 3. Anywhere the python sits, the food normally meets it there. Anywhere the python sits, the food normally meets it there. Your luck will shine. People will patronize you. You need python head. Python that get command with his mouth. Yes, python head. If you repeat to see, you just need something to add to python head. With soup of your choice. And you take your bait with it once in a week. You will thank God. Before I go, I must thank those people that are supporting my channel. God will continue to bless you and enrich your purse. I have another channel, Kenisho TV, members only. Those of you that are subscribing to that channel as well, God bless you. Members only. How to join the membership, you will see it on YouTube. YouTube will connect you. Monthly payment is there. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. God will not let you down. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.
Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.